In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text transparent in Canva if you want to create a softer, more polished design. Adjusting text transparency is a really useful technique. It can help your text blend more naturally into the background, create a subtle overlay effect, or simply make your design feel less heavy. The good news is that Canva makes this very easy, and it only takes a few clicks. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text you want to edit. Make sure you click directly on the text box so Canva knows exactly which element you want to change. This is important because if nothing is selected, or if another element is active, the transparency setting won't affect the text you intended to adjust. Once your text is selected, go to the top toolbar and click the transparency icon. In Canva, this is usually represented by a checkerboard style icon, and it gives you control over how solid or see-through your selected element appears. After you click it, a slider will appear. Now use the slider to adjust the text opacity. This is where you control the transparency level. If you move the slider to the left, your text will become more transparent, which means it will look lighter and blend more into the design. If you move it to the right, the text will appear stronger, darker, and more solid. This gives you flexibility depending on the style you're going for. As you adjust the slider, take your time and watch how the text changes against your background. A small movement can make a big difference, especially if your design already has a lot of color, texture, or images behind the text. If your goal is a subtle effect, lower transparency can work well. If the text needs to stand out more clearly, keep the opacity higher. Finally, preview your design and make sure the text is still easy to read. This step is very important because even if the transparency effect looks nice, the text still needs to be legible. Check how it looks in the full design, not just on the text element by itself. If it feels too faint, simply go back and increase the opacity a little until you find the right balance between style and readability. And that's it. That's how to make text transparent in Canva in a simple and effective way.